and Tommy gonna go for a morning walk. It's around 10 a.m. now, so anyway, weirdly Tommy's so excited today. I'm also excited today, so might as well go for a morning walk and then afternoon walk again. Let's go! Anyway, it is raining, not heavy but lightly rain, and so me and Tommy are here. The umbrella is so wet. They actually cut the grass here, and they actually fix also the front lawn of the house. So this is like the suburban cleaning group or something for this suburb. So anyway, long day ahead of this day today, me and Tommy. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll wing it all throughout the day. So fix the park around here. They fix the pathway, and yeah, just the pathway, not any other part. So yeah, they fix the pathway that goes around the park here. So me and Tommy are just gonna walk around here and see the changes that they have done. So here's the thing, the dog, they usually eat this thing here. As Tommy is eating now the grass. It's for their digestive system or something. Yeah, this grass here. I was thinking, if dog can eat it for their digestive system, can we as human eat it also for our digestive system? I mean, after all, we're all mammals, and we love doing what to do on the Discovery Channel. So yeah, just, I don't know. Come on, let's go, Tommy. Let's go. Oh, you still want to eat that thing? Grass. Me and Tommy are having lunch, well, brunch with lamb and bread. Tommy, lamb and bread. It's a good brunch. It's a good brunch. A good day to be a day with Tommy. I think this is the only vlog this year that I'm doing it like with spend a day with Tommy video. I don't think I did any this year, but last year I did like a bunch of it. Right, boy? Right, boy? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head out to 7-Eleven first. was supposed to sit up there, but there's two mothers sitting up there. So we are down here at the downside of the what? We are down here at the gully, the walkway. So just gonna sit here for a while. It's around 2 p.m. in the afternoon now. So anyway, it's about to rain and it's around 2 p.m. now. So me and Stormy just gonna sit here for a while. I went to 7-Eleven and got sting, and I got yogurt for Stormy. Come here, boy. Let's eat yogurt. Yeah, boy. Anyway, me and Tommy was sitting down here and the rain started to fall, so we're gonna head back home now. At least we sit here for like an hour or so. So we're gonna go back home now, eating our yogurt and stuff. So it is around 6:30 in the afternoon now. It's night. Me and Tommy went earlier. It rained, so we ran away back. So we're gonna do our last walkabout and then call it a day. So yeah, it was a beautiful day today. So Tommy, let's go for a walk. Peace out. Me and Tommy decided to have a run. Yeah, that was fun while lasted. Tommy, aren't you exhausted? Go this way. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna call it a night here, afternoon, a day. It was fun spending the whole day with Tommy. Unfortunately, the rain ruined half of our days, but all good. I'm just gonna finish walking and then go home. See you on the next one.